Hello people and welcome back to Maxi Made channel. Today we prepared a really cool episode full of all sorts of crazy biker moments caught on camera. From close calls to road rage and many more. Make sure to sit back and enjoy in this one.
Mine going to just in case.
I'm Sergeant Hall at the State Police, let you know being recorded.
Okay.
We'll start this episode off with a crazy Karen's argument, and just by watching the first video you can tell that we are in for a banger episode. One crazy Karen tried to force her way in front of another vehicle and it came to a hit, but that's not all. Stay tuned to see what's about to happen.
Did you get that on your camera? Did you see what she was doing?
Yeah.
Okay, can we go around the corner so she can call the police? Because I was just going to go. Okay, thank you very much. Come on, what are you doing? We're holding up traffic. Come on.
Mr. Tough Guy started chasing the biker down after he failed to stop for him at the crosswalk, but his anger quickly vanished once the biker stopped to confront him.
Che attraversi col rosso, scusa.
This angry couple was mad at the biker for having his bike too much, but that wasn't the case, as you can hear for yourselves, and the biker made sure to give them a free lecture on how bikes work and what a real rev looks like.
Ich mach doch gar nichts. Also was mache ich denn bitte schön? Nee, was mache ich denn? Mal eine ehrliche Frage jetzt. Nein, nur eine ehrliche Frage. Wo gebe ich ein bisschen Gas?
Du machst die Leute eben gerade mit deinem Gas.
Ich halte nur Gas, weil ihr ausgeht. Ich kann mal so machen, dass ich Gas geben.
Das hast du auch eben gerade gemacht.
Ne, habe ich nicht gemacht. Habe ich nicht gemacht.
Dein Kamera hat das vielleicht auch genommen.
Ja, habe ich aufgenommen.
Ja, so.
Ja, aber ich habe kein Gas geben rein. Ich habe nie die Ärger. Ich bin ganz langsam gefahren. Ich bin ganz langsam gefahren. Ja, danke.
Something really shocking happened during the group ride. One biker hit the gas way too much for his own good, and the end result is a heavy crash. He was wearing a helmet, and that might have saved his life here.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
You alright? Oh, bro.
Reckless driver ran a red light, and he nearly hit the biker head on. Not only that, he had the nerve to yell at the biker from his car, as if he did something wrong. This is definitely one of the most intense police versus biker interactions out there. Biker got pulled over because the cop couldn't read his tags, and the situation was all cool until the cop asked the biker to show him some ID. This is where things started to go downhill.
What did I do? Huh?
Your license plate isn't mounted legally.
Oh my God!
My license plate?
It can't be like that. I can't even read it. I understand that's how you got it, but that's not legal.
How's that not legal? It's not visible?
First of all, it has to be to the rearmost portion, just like a vehicle. It has to be all the way to the back. And then it has to be horizontal. Horizontal. Because I can't read that.
Okay.
See what I'm saying?
I'll change it when I get home then.
That's the wrong number!
Well, I didn't buy it.
It's like Eliminator.
I bought it from a dealership though.
That's surprising.
Like I just bought it a week ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I was like surprised. I'm like, was I speeding? Because I was checking my speedometer and everything. I'm like,
This is one of those situations in which you're pulled over simply because. I can't understand the biker's frustration here, but regardless of that, the officer had the right to conduct his business. Simply complying will definitely make things easier, but
License on you?
yeah. I mean,
I don't think I have them on me.
In that case, we'll have to ask you to come along.
is there a reason for it? Do you need see my ID for something that I?
Well, you're detained right now. I pulled you over.
I'm detained?
Yeah. See my lights right there? Turn around. Look. See my lights?
I saw your lights in my mirror when you pulled up behind me really fast. But
Yeah, so
why am I being
anytime-
detained?
Because I'm conducting an enforcement stop.
For a license plate?
It's a California Vehicle Code violation, which gave me probable cause to pull you over.
Okay,
Investigate.
but I didn't commit a crime.
It's technically a vehicle violation.
It's not a crime though, so I don't have to show you my ID.
Got him!
Come on, man. We both know I don't have to show you my ID if I didn't commit a crime.
You 100% have to show your ID.
If I didn't commit a crime?
All right.
I just
Do me a favor. Have a seat on your bike. Have a seat on your bike.
like I just feel like I'm kind of being harassed for something that I didn't do intentionally.
So let me explain this to you as simplest as I can.
Yeah.
Okay. So, say that car right there
Yeah.
has expired registration.
Yes.
Would you say that's legal or illegal?
Illegal.
Okay, so I pull them over
Right.
with my lights just like I did you.
Right.
And I contact them and say the same thing. I stopped you because your registration is expired, which
Yes.
is a California Vehicle Code violation. It's an infraction.
Okay.
Same thing with this. California Vehicle Code violation, infraction.
Okay.
Okay? I asked for their driver's license because they are technically detained. They did something illegal is on their vehicle that they are driving. So I stopped them and they have to present ID.
Okay.
If
I'm not trying to start a problem, bro, but I just feel like I didn't.
I'm just trying to help you understand
You
this
know.
stuff, okay? If I did not turn my lights on,
Yeah.
we were at a stoplight, and I
Yeah.
was like, "Hey, bro, your license plate's not mounted right.
Right.
Let me see your ID." No, that's not it. I did not detain you.
Right.
There's no detention there. That's a consensual encounter.
So anytime you're detained by
at this point, the biker realized that it would be for the best to let things go and comply with the officer. He was getting seriously upset at the biker for not giving him his ID, and the biker kinda sensed that it was not worth dragging this argument further on.
Feels that you are either were or are or
What?
attempted to engage in illegal activity, and he has probable cause and probable suspicion to detain you,
right.
then yes, you have to present ID.
Right, but do you really think I'm like probable cause, like I'm
Listen,
committing
I
a
don't-
crime?
I don't think you are a criminal.
Okay.
I think you're causing some crazy.
Because like I pulled over right away. Like as soon as I saw your lights, pulled over. I live down the street. I'm not trying to have any issues.
I'm not saying
You know.
you committed a crime. I'm saying you are operating a vehicle that has an illegal modification to it, which is the reason why I stopped you.
Okay. All right. Fair enough.
I'm not trying to jam you.
I just every time I ride my bike, bro. Anytime I pass a cop, they always light me up for something. Whether it's license plate, registration.
So we can get into pursuit.
I know it's probably fun. It's probably fun. I wish I could get paid to chase somebody on my bike. Thank you.
Okay, I'm not gonna give you a ticket because you can get a ticket for that. Okay, I'm not gonna give you a ticket, not do nothing.
I appreciate it, bro. Thank you.
Good to go.
Thank you, man.
You understand the whole thing right now?
Yeah, thanks for explaining it to me and not being.
Try not to be.
No, that was cool, man.
Try to have fun. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Have a good day, bro.
So I just fixed the 80.
This biker went for a ride after he fixed his bike. He went over to check out a construction site and he took a shortcut that led him to someone else's property. The angry owner appeared and he confronted the biker about it. And this is how it all happened. Biker acted really mature for his age here. He didn't want to cause more drama or start an unnecessary argument with the landlord. He listened to what he had to say and turned around. But that was still far from over.
You're all good over there, dude. But just don't go through this property. You went through there, eh? Yeah, so don't go through there ever again. If my old man catches you, it's not going to be a pretty sight. But yeah, do whatever you want over there, just don't go through there, bro. Otherwise, yeah, you won't be a happy man. Sweet? You're right on there, bro.
Biker was lane splitting when all of a sudden he heard a police siren. He was 100% sure that he was getting pulled over and he was slowing down and getting prepared for it. But that wasn't the case. Check out what happened.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
In this video, the biker came across some really crazy and rude drivers in traffic. Make sure to pay close attention and learn something from this. On top of nearly hitting him, as you can see for yourselves, this crazy driver had the audacity to yell at the biker to brake. Unbelievable, the level of self-entitlement in this guy. A similar situation is in the previous clip, and this van driver did not bother looking at his mirrors at all.
Why? 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 Why?
On his way to work, this biker experienced a really tight close call. One driver in front of him stopped due to some sort of traffic block, and the biker managed to pull to the side in the last possible second.
channel. So guys, ask for the
Whenever you approach a sharp corner, you definitely need to slow down. For your own safety first. Roads are full of crazy drivers who cut corners and drive way too fast at sharp curves. And if you're on a bike, that puts you at great disadvantage.
Oh, yeah. गाइस ये देखो ध्यान से आप, यहाँ मैं बच गया.
Pure example of an impatient driver doing a silly mistake that could have put the biker straight into hospital and the driver in jail. Please be more patient and aware of your surroundings. Biker was just out enjoying a nice ride on his bike, but his enjoyment got cut short as soon as he was pulled over by a cop. The reason being, improper license plate display, and he wasn't fully endorsed. Make sure to stick around to see what happened.
Okay, yeah.
The reason why you stopped, I can't see your plate.
Okay.
I saw it right as I was walking up here, so...
Yeah, I totally understand that.
Any way you can bend it back down?
I can.
Like that?
I can bend it back down. I kind of bought it that way. I think the guy I bought it from probably did that for that obvious reason. Yeah, but
I hear you.
I can.
Right on.
But yeah.
Problem solved, right?
Yeah, we're good.
All right, I gotta take some notes. You got your driver's license with you?
I do.
How long you been out riding today?
I've been out for maybe like 2 hours. I was working earlier today. Say again?
Where'd you go?
I came from back roads, kinda, not really. I work at Main Event over on 164th across the bridge.
Okay.
And I usually kind of hit the Camas way, but I came over because it was a car meet, but there's a lot of cops out, so honestly, yeah, exactly. And I didn't want to get into any trouble or anything like that, so I didn't want to get into any trouble or anything like that. So that's
Give me
why.
a second, I'm gonna take some notes, get you back out there.
Sweet, yep. Okay.
Problem solved as far as I'm concerned, so just a warning on my end. So,
okay.
Have a good rest of your ride, man.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Have a safe one.
Take it easy.
BMW driver forgot that he was in traffic at all. No sign of using his turn signals, nor checking his mirrors. Crazy driver made a left turn and right in front of a biker who had a right of way. He saw the biker, and despite that, he had no intention of stopping as he was supposed to. Unfortunately, we have more and more drivers like this one on the roads.
What the hell are you? Go! Jesus Christ. What you doing, boy?
Whoa! Hey! 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 What are you doing? This is a bike lane!
With this clip, we conclude yet another epic episode on Maxi Made channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something from all the mistakes you saw in today's episode. After all, why not learn on the mistakes of others if you already had the chance to? If you support my work, please leave a like because it helps this channel out. While you're at it, hit that subscribe and bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.